Hi, did you notice that the cloth that I have on in my thumbnail, that's the picture you saw before clicking this video, is the same thing that I have on right now? The makeup, everything is the same. That means that I just snapped that picture today before making this video, so it's real. It works 100%. If you see my underarm before now and see it now, you will understand why I'm happy to make this video, because somebody is about to have her dream body. Somebody is about to go for shopping, just go buy your swimsuit, your handless, sleeveless, spaghetti hand, okay? Because I'm going to share you my secret. Hey guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Vera, and in this channel I talk beauty, lifestyle, motherhood. I talk health, hygiene. I make videos on hair growth, weight loss, a little bit of everything, as long as it helps my beautiful ladies be and look the best. So join the family by clicking on the subscribe button below and turn on your notification so you don't miss any of my videos. All right, you guys, did you notice something different today? I'm just so happy, excited, grateful, and thankful. I got good news to share with you all, but that will be later. Okay, so back to the topic. I'm telling you now to start celebrating. This summer is going to be the best, because you can now wear your swimsuit, your sleeveless. Your confidence is gonna be back. If you lost it because of dark underarm, believe me, I got the solution. All you need to do is just trust me a little and try it. You'll be happy you did. I will tell you how to use it after we are done preparing it, so it's important you stay and watch till the end. Also, I'll tell you the benefits of everything that we'll use while preparing it. Okay, all right, enough, let's go. So you guys, if after making it you notice that it's too thick, like you wanted a lighter consistency, you can just add a little more whipping cream, like the heavy whipping cream. Just add a little more to it, okay? First thing that you need to know is that don't wear the clothes that you're not ready to lose when applying this, or apply it when you're about to shower because it can stain your clothes. Apply this on your underarm and bikini area only, please, not on your face. The baking soda can be harsh on your skin, especially if you have a sensitive skin. I don't even use it all over my body. Like, I have a video of the one that I use on my body. I'll leave the link too on my description box. I made that video 2 months after giving birth, and I was looking so dark, so dark. I couldn't wait for how long it will take for my body to go back to normal, right? I had to look for a solution, and that was when I tried that remedy, and it really worked. Just make sure to check my description box for the link. Watch it too, okay? Trust me, I still use it even till tomorrow. It won't lighten you, it will just brighten you and leave your skin smooth and silky. It's even good for your face too. So this one is just for the highly pigmented areas. Try this 3 days in a row, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Then if after 3 days you notice that you're not back to the right shade that you're looking for, just go down to once a week, okay? Once a week. And then when you're almost there, or you've gotten the result that you wanted, it can be 2 times in a month. So back to the good news, you guys. I'm super thankful and grateful to you all. One of my videos got 4,000 plus views. Yes, it's a big deal because I used to get less than 200, sometimes less than 100. So to get that much is a big deal for me. I can't tell you how I was shouting and screaming the day it reached 1,000. It was like 1 million to me. You guys, this channel is like my baby. That's why you will always get honesty here. I try things so that I can give you honest review. My yes is yes and my no is no. If I'm not sure, I'll tell you it's 50-50. So I want to thank God and thank you guys, especially those who subscribed, for the love and support that you have shown me. You are the reason I want to keep doing this. If you haven't subscribed yet, please join the family and click the red button below. Also like and share this video, okay? All right, I got to go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video as much as I did. Take care of you. Be happy. Stay positive, show kindness anywhere that you are. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.